this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect Zammad to N8N to automate customer support and data workflows. Start by setting up a trigger in N8N. Choose manual, scheduled, or webhook based on how you want the workflow to run. Next, add the Zammad node to your workflow canvas and select your saved Zammad credentials to establish a secure connection. Now, pick the operation you want, like getting a list of users. Optionally, add a set node to filter fields such as first names, last names, or emails. Then, if needed, add an Excel node to export your data for reporting or analysis. Finally, run your workflow to test integration and ensure everything flows smoothly. And that's it. Your Zammad account is now connected to N8N, ready to automate tasks and save you time.